Hi, this is Lee Funderburk with Stony Creek Farm. Olin and I are about to release some leafcutter bees. They're coming out of their cocoons and they're mating, and they're going into the holes after they mate to lay eggs. It's a really cool process, so I'm going to let him show you real quick. We've got them right here, and a little top has been, and you can see all the bees just running all over this plastic. Now notice the top, they have to have air, so naturally we've got lots of air flow in there. But he's about to release them right now, so he's going to open up the top and then put it in there, and then the ones that are already out of their cocoons are going to fly out. So watch closely, because these are little leafcutter bees, and you'll be able to see them here in just a minute flying out. In fact, I'm going to close in and you'll be able to see those little bees crawling all over those cocoons and trying to get out. And it takes them a minute because they'll hear the other bees and they'll start flying out. And then they might need a little bit of help. Sometimes Olin might need to reach in there and maybe help some of them out by turning it sideways a little bit. So we'll take a look at that. And these are leafcutter bees. They're superhero pollinators. Now here we go. You can see the little boogers coming out. They're awesome. And they're right next to our green beans, which is amazing. And these green beans have tons and tons of blooms on them. And so these little superhero pollinators are going to pollinate everything in the garden. They'll travel about 300 feet. And so they'll work on the garden, our purple hull peas over there, our okra on the other side, our squash and zucchini. They're superhero pollinators, and they'll also help with our tomato pollination. So this is just a little lesson on leafcutter bees for the summer, and you can use mason solitary bees for the spring. But this is their little home with the little pencil-like houses that we have, and that's where they lay their eggs. So just wanted to give you a little lesson on leafcutter bees.